I'm gonna walk right.
Your bag is right there. Yep.
Walk right behind you.
He's crossing.
Mike, he's coming to you.
You just threw the fish. Hey, burp. Can you grab those? Hey, burp.
Careful, careful.
You got a red light? Red light in the camera? Red light in the camera, Brian? Alright.
Mike, this is red.
Oh, we got another one.
We got two there. Second one?
Yep.
Oh, yep. Oh, God damn it, he didn't. He picked up a fish and ran. And he's just gonna hang out and eat it.
Yep. We got one coming up right on.
Asshole. Grab your bag, Daryl. Let's get the hell out of here. Hey, burp. Hey, burp. Hey, burp. You still got gear over there.
What's that?
I said you still got gear over there?
Yep.
Crossing.
Okay, he's crossing. We're both on this side now.
Yeah, got two bear crossing. Yeah, just a second. Need to chill down. Yeah. Back up.
All right, now. What else is over there? Net?
Right here.
That's ours.
Okay.
Mike tossed them all in the river to keep them from him.
Yeah, I saw that.
Mike, what's the orange over there?
What?
Under the thing there.
Oh, that's my water bottles. You want? Where's your fillets at? You want the fillets?
Yeah, we'll grab it. Just toss it on there if you can. Thanks. Appreciate it.
What?
You got pictures?
I was
Pictures. I'm recording right now.
Huh?
I'm recording right now. It's just gonna be a bad day for everybody.
Hey, Weston, I got my stuff.
Okay, I just need my pole. Someone got my pole?
I got your pole.
And we'll just hang right here for a while.
Yep. We gotta watch them eat. Oh, I still have fish. I haven't hooked mine. He's a piece of his fish, hopefully. So.
You just gave him the stink eye.
If he crosses, he's...
Oh, no.
Don't you do it. Don't you do it.
All right, I got. You got the spray?
What are we doing first? Spray or...
Spray. Yeah, spray.
All right.
But good eye on seeing the bear, guys. Yeah, I didn't even. I was like, oh shit.
All I saw was a head.
One of you guys called it, right?
Yeah, I seen it. I was like, oh, there's someone behind Daryl. It's... Yep.
Someone. You think that's you from yesterday?
Yeah.
Hey! Hey, Westman.
Yep.
If we're chilling here right now with you guys on, I'm transitioning these fish into my pack.
Okay.
Okay. And then we'll come over to your left. Transitioning them into plastic bag, in the pack. Getting them out.
What did he grab?
You can clean
Fish.
them at the...
Keep an eye on that. I lost the cinnamon.
Well, the other one went, I think he went back up in there.
As long as it doesn't cross.
Yeah, we can clean
They
these
clean-
guys.
They run back up this little
Yeah.
kind of
Yeah.
shallow in there.
Yeah.
God damn it.
The other guy's hanging out, ain't he?
Yep.
Yeah, he came